My name is William Buller. I'm a research engineer with Michigan Technological University.
My name is Rini Sharoni. I'm a senior principal engineer at Toyota's Collaborative Safety Research Center.
We are in Grass Lake, Michigan at the Whitetail Hall of Fame, which includes a deer farm.
We are working with Michigan Tech Research Institute, and they are very strong knowledge about radar systems. What we're trying to understand is how these different sensors see animals, in particular deer.
We're helping to develop an animal pre-collision system, measuring the deer with a W-band radar, which is often used on vehicles for pre-collision systems, and we're also looking at them with a LiDAR. I think part of what the Collaborative Safety Research Center is doing is trying to reduce the number of people who lose lives and the number of people who are injured.
Radar live? In US, there are over 1.5 million animal vehicle crashes every year, and a big percentage of that is deer crashes. By collecting this radar data from different kind of deers, we'll be able to model or develop a system that can detect these animals, hopefully before the driver can, and can either give a warning or can activate brake, to prevent or mitigate these crashes. Ready for test point 247? Every little step we make that makes a difference in somebody's life, that's a big achievement for us.
This is the future of the automobile, and it's happening right now.